Hi friends, welcome to Git series. So in the previous video, I explained about stash command. So when you are working in IT industry or any project like a Maven project or Gradle project or Android or Eclipse, wherever you are working, we have some files will be generated by the IDE. Like if you use IntelliJ, it will be generate .idea file. If you using the Maven, final outcome you will get like a .jar file inside target folder. Okay, that target folder it will be a dynamic. Like if you are working, your jar file is different. If I'm working, my jar file is different. So those type of files we should ignore in the Git repository. Then how you need to use that command, like you need to create one .ignore file. You need to give what are the files you need to ignore. Okay, inside the Git we have a two types of file system. We have one for the tracked files, one for untracked files. Okay, let me open the Ubuntu to clear understand. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, let me go to my repository. Okay, so if I use the git status command as of now, let me remove for you. I will explain again. Git ignore ignore. Okay, now git status command. Okay, ls command if I use, I have these many files I have. Okay, now suppose I create one in new file. Assume that I will create login.txt. Okay, and I will create admin.py. Okay, okay, now if you see, use the git status command. Untracked files, these files are still not yet available inside your repository. Okay, these completely new files. Am I correct? Now whenever you are commit git add dot, it will commit all the files. Am I right? So while you are committing, I want to ignore these two files. Then what you will do means, just you need to create one git ignore. This is the file you need to create. Okay, so let me open gedit dot git ignore. Okay, here you need to mention your path. Okay, now which files I want to untrack. Okay, so I need to go for admin.py. Okay, and one more file I want to ignore, login.txt. Okay, these two files I want to ignore from untracked files to it don't know what is now those files. If you see the git status command, see, are you able to see these two files? No, right? So in the real time, what you will configure in .ignore means, let me go for the ppt. So if you are working any Maven project, it will generate one target folder. We should not commit these type of folders inside your git repository. It will be generate your IDE, so it will be available for everyone. So build, like if you are working in Android or Gradle file, if you use, inside the build folder your all .class files will be there. If you created any dot properties, local dot properties, and if using Gradle class path dot project, these files are unnecessary files. You should not commit these files into your git repository. Okay, if you are a join in the middle of the project, these things already they will configure. If you want to check, go and check in your Unix terminal. If you use basically once you commit, if you do ls command, dot ignore file won't display. Okay, if you use ls hyphen a, if I use, then your dot ignore file, why? Hyphen a is nothing but all hidden files it will be display. Okay, now what I will do, every time you should not use like a file name, we should not append, assume that. Okay, so randomly I will create a few files. Okay, what I will do, I will start with abc colon 1.10. Let me check. If you use the ls command, if you see with abc, ABC1, ABC2, ABC4. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, this is the correct one. No issues. Now are you able to see? Lot of files I'm able to see. I want to ignore these ABC related thing. How you will write? It's very simple. Gedit dot git ignore. What I will do, I will use some wildcard operator APC colon here. Wildcard star means starting with ABC, it will be ignore all the files are displaying. Now if you use the git status command, see, are you able to see here? No, ABC related no files are there. Now suppose if I remove, then you can see all the files. Now I will take it only one. Okay, now if you use the git status command, see, are you able to see from abct starting with all? So these type of files you should, this is a generic way you need to configure in this way, like a dot gradle, or you can say build directory or target directory. I don't want to commit these type of files. These are the real time. If you go and check in your project, definitely these type of they will configure. If any log files are generating in this way, dot class files and dot IDE, it's okay specific to different IDE what you are using. Okay, this if you use IntelliJ, it will generate this folder, so I don't want. So you can save those all files, you can ignore in the git. I hope you guys are clear about dot ignore. It's very important. Okay, we'll see few more comments in the next section. Thank you guys.